How to increase your credit card limit on the Costco Citi Card. Let's get started. Before you request a credit limit increase, ensure that you meet the criteria set by Citi. Generally, you should have a good payment history with your current credit limit. Now you can visit the website of Citi, or also you can use the Citi mobile app to log into your Costco Citi Card account. Right now I'm using the web version. You can go ahead and type in your credentials, user ID and password, and click on the option of Sign On. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, head to the home page and look for the option that says View All Services. Click on Request a Credit Limit Increase. You will be directed to a page where you will see information about your current credit limit. Here is where it gets important. You will need to provide your total income and monthly mortgage payment. This helps Citi determine how much additional credit they can offer you. After you fill out the necessary fields, click Next. This will submit your request for a credit limit increase. Finally, you will be directed to a page confirming whether you have been granted the credit limit increase or not. If approved, it will display your new credit limit. Remember, requesting a credit limit increase does not guarantee approval, and it's essential to use credit responsibly. Avoid maxing out your credit card and strive to maintain a good credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you are using compared to your total credit limit. And that's it. Increasing your Citi credit card limit is that simple. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please consider liking the video and subscribing to our channel for more personal finance tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.